Alright, I am back. The heat wave is gone. Finally get out here, work comfortably. I'm going to address this fender, which I hit with a grinder, as you can see. And then I primed it just to keep it from rusting. It's so funny, in certain light, I couldn't see any of it. I'm like, oh, it looks good. I don't need Bondo. But yeah, let's get this light sanding and see where we're at. Might be able to just do spot putty. Well, maybe I need a filler. Just gonna hit it with a 150 for now. That really shows lows and highs right away. Yeah, some of it was me digging in the edge, but let's get my hands on it. Like this, you guys' old tripod today. So it's hard to see, but right here is where that scratch was. There is definitely a mark right in there. I think the primer filled in it a little bit, but you can see it. So I need to scuff that up. Put some 120 just on a block so I can get in there. Because the orbital wasn't doing so well. Let's get into that. And clean that up, and then I'm going to get out the maybe the spot putty. You might be able to just get away with it. Let's see. I'll move you over here. I think it's easier to see that one. You can feel that with a fingernail. And there too. It's very hard to find, but there's definitely right there. I think I can hit that with fill it in. I think a glazing Bondo is what I really need for shallow, smooth stuff. I just have like a filler. But then I have that spot putty. So I don't think it's the best thing. I think it's made for like pinholes, but let's see what it does. Why not? Just realized I never got this. A pretty big dent right here. I need to come back and fill it, but I realized the fender's open in the back. I can get up in there with a little punch. Ding, ding, ding. Take that dent down a little bit. No, scratch that idea. It's still double lined. I went up underneath there and I can't feel the indent, so makes sense. Double liner. So that is pretty deep, so I'm gonna have to fill that. But whatever. Alright, glazing putty is nice. Some of it dries very, very quick. I'm not sold on the strength of it though. We'll see. Sand that down real quick, see what it looks like. Well, of course you realize this is just me being too lazy to mix up a can of Bondo, or a spot of Bondo, which I need for that dent on the other side anyway. So I'm gonna just have to do it. I think I need to get that whole area there, honestly. I think it's a little low. I think that filled in pretty good, but I get like these pock marks that are supposed to be filled in by the putty, and I don't know, it seems like it creates them. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some Bondo anyway, do that dent on the top of the fender over there. Alright, I got the fan on. That's gonna affect the microphone and a dust mask on my mouth. There we go. Is that better? Sanded this baby down 400. got a little divot. That's where I'll put that spot putty. There. That's what it's made for. Got some decent, trying to really get these transitions. Get a good body line. And that came out good. Took off the lens. Some more sanding in there. This is all, I'm guessing, brake fluid spilled on the paint. So maybe I'll address that. Like I said, ended up doing the fast dry. And this spot might need a little, that spot putty right in there. Let's see, focus. Oh yeah, just looks lumpy. But yeah, there we go. Alright, just took my spare tire carrier off. Got all sorts of clanging and banging back here. It was loose. I think I'm going to have to cut that bolt on that side because I can't get it to come off. Hey, look at that. I can change the light with my hand. But yeah, the tire's not much better. The sidewall's split. And right around here it's all dry rotted. But I'll probably just chuck the tire in the back of the truck like most people do anyway. Or nowadays people just call it AAA, don't they? Alright, noisemaker is removed. Guess I could get a couple bolts, put it back up there. That's bent actually. But, yeah, I only had to cut one of the rods. Need a spare tire anyway, which holds air. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. And I just touched this up. It's starting to rust again. Still not ready to get to that. And the roof. That's going to be a whole day. This is okay. That spot taken care of. Fender all primed up. Still seeing a little my transition. I keep saying transition. What is it? Fading? Fading your spots out? I think I fade a little better. I'm not a good fader. Alright guys. Cool.